on, guys? Welcome to our introduction video of SellTheDips.com, what we're actually about, what we're doing, and some of the information that we're going to be sharing with you today. So stay tuned. This is going to be a really good educational video to find out if Sell the Dips trading really is for you. I'm going to review our product lines. I'm going to review a couple of fun stuff, some tools, some resources, data, stats, you name it. So stay tuned. This video is going to be very educational. All right, let's hop right into it. A little backstory on SellTheDips Trading. We started this company in August, roughly, so about four months ago, considering when you're watching this video. Right now, it's January the 3rd that I'm recording this of 2021. So it's been about 4 months. We had our first quarter, which we had an amazing quarter. A lot of things have changed. A little bit of backstory. We actually started this company with traders. It was just a bunch of people who got together that were doing challenges and sharing information and styles, and we created this Discord. Whole community was born, and a lot of great things happened, and people found us through stock tweets and other, Instagram and other platforms. We got a lot of traction going on, and I'm creating this video to kind of tell you guys what we're actually about. And if you're interested in joining in what we do or not, that's not the point. We welcome everybody. Doesn't matter if you're a skillful trader or a newbie who just started out. We guide you through the whole process of investing. Just a disclaimer from the beginning, we're not registered with the SEC, we're not financial advisors. Everything that we're saying here in this video or on our website or in our platforms, it's educational purpose only. Read our disclaimers, it's all there. Check it out, there'll be a link below for that as well. But anyways, let's hop right into it. So we created a Discord. With the Discord, we were allowed to communicate and do platforms, and we create a whole system here. We have currently around 15 to 18 support bots that continuously monitor, provide charts, data, stats. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to create a whole new room here, annoy our members. I'm going to do a create channel, which is going to be a test channel, our members to view channel. So let's just save that and we'll delete it after. We just created our channel here. Nobody can see this, so it's only me, and I'm going to explain some of the things we do right off. And some of the bots that we have is our chart bot right over here. And this bot is really good. For example, it has multiple commands, but I'm just going to demonstrate a couple, just kind of give you an idea what this offers, what you can do with it. So let's say you're interested in Apple and you want to see a daily chart of Apple. So today is Sunday actually, so the market's closed. I won't have live data, but you'll see Friday's charts, but it is live throughout the day. So you'll get exactly, if it's 12 o'clock, you'll get exactly 12 o'clock. We're going to type in a command. So our command is C2, and we just put the ticker name, which will be like Apple, and you'll see Apple will pop up the chart, and this will be the daily 5-minute chart of Apple. You can take a look at it, where we're at. Goes on, obviously, as time goes on, it's live data. And for example, if you want to let a more detailed chart, there's other commands. You can look at like a yearly chart, and again, all these command lists are there as well. So you can take a look at all those data here. You can look at the SMAs, EMAs, anything you want. I mean, it's all here. And to the next level, again, we have other stat bots. So if we want to take a look at Apple's technical analysis, we type in technical TA for our Apple code, put it in, and it'll pop right up. And you'll see exactly what the resistance points are, what the Fibonacci, the last price, the 52 weeks high, everything's here. So all the data is there as well. Just charting tools, very basic. There's so much here. Another example could be like if you want to find out what sectors are moving, you can do a command, you can do a heat map, for example, and this will pop up and you'll see everything from what happened, like regarding where the money was going into. So money was coming out of energy today, and it looks like technology and everything else was green. So you pretty much had a pretty broad rally today. Energy is slacking there. So you can kind of get an idea where the money's going, and we have these tools here. The amount of tools that we have, it's outrageous. You can definitely go in and figure out a whole bunch of things. Again, this is just the beginning introduction charts and tools that we have, and this is available for every member in our Discord. A lot of this stuff is even available for free on our free Discord as well, which we have a free Discord right over here. You can take a look here and get into it, or I'll cover that in just a moment, but we're going to focus more on the premium Discord, kind of give you exactly what we offer. Let's just move on, and we have even a COVID bot. Obviously, 2020 has been a very bad year for a lot of people. A lot of people have passed away, and it is important for the market to know what's going on with COVID. So we have a COVID bot, and we can just simply type in COVID, let's say USA, and you'll get a bot that tells you data, right? So today, we had 96,000 cases positive, 904 people died, God bless your souls, and 43,000 people have recovered. Kind of gives you an idea. And this bot is really good for any country as well. So you can go into, for example, if you want to take a look at, I don't know, Germany. So you type in COVID Germany, very simple, pops right up. You can see Germany's cases today. Germany has 7,500 cases. I think this one's hysterical right here. I think if you look at China, always catches me. surprised. So they had 24 cases today. And again, this is what's being reported publicly. So it's all public data. We see it. And we can see a trend as well of like, okay, COVID cases are rising. We can take advantage of a market situation which stocks move based upon what the situation with COVID is. So it's a really great tool we have. I mean, there's just so many tools, and this is all available on our entry level. And again, we have really sophisticated bots as well, where we have a smart money bot and we call it the Flow Master. And basically, if I want to look at money coming in from, Apple, for example, I'll type it in and the Flow Master bot, or the option flow master bot, is going to generate that information. It's a lot of data. We can look at equity flows as well on Apple. It takes a minute, so once this loads up, we'll come back to it and it'll provide you the data exactly what you're seeing. So you'll see, what the cash flow is, where the smart money is coming from, a bunch of fun, amazing stuff. This bot's actually very sophisticated, and it actually provides more than that. So this bot is actually integrated to a artificial intelligence where it actually scans market data and gives you AI alerts is what we call it. And basically what it does is it shoots out the best combinations, what the algorithm picks up based upon the money that's going in, the strength, the data, just picks everything up and shoots us a name to look at in the signal. So the signal is long. So you don't get a lot of these. You get a few a day. Maybe you'll get 1 or 2 or 3 a day. So these are really rare. And when we get them, we look at them and analyze them and see if there's a position that we can play. A lot of the stuff that happens, some of these alerts are amazing. If you look at NEO, we had an alert on NEO a couple of days ago. Let's take a look at NEO chart. I mean, again, this is just basic stuff. I mean, we're not really looking at much. We're just looking at NEO. We got an alert on NEO coming up. Again, this was on the 29th. So this is Thursday's chart, the last day of the year. But if you take a look, what happened? It bounced right up. This was an AI alert, which we looked at. Also Microsoft as well. I mean, just really nice alerts coming in. Again, it's not always accurate, but it does provide good information to look at least to consider trading that day. Hey, look, there's a Microsoft alert. Let's take a look at it. There's an Amazon. I mean, again, we don't get a lot. We get a couple of those a day, and we can see to look at. But this is all artificial intelligence that puts it together and just shoots it out to us, which is amazing. We also have sweeps, so golden sweeps, and these are just credits of how the score is on the sweep premium. So these are all considered on different platforms. What I mean by platforms, the amount of size of money that's coming in. So these are over $1 million as golden sweeps, and anything less will be in our purple or green sweeps. So you can look at it. So much less premium coming in. You can take a look at all that data, and this is all live. It just shoots you as it goes. You'll get maybe 40, 50 a day. You can just kind of have it open while you're trading, maybe talking on the chat, or just have it open on the side. You can kind of take a look at it. Also, dark pool, pretty cool as well, provides live data for you every single day of what money's coming in and what tickers, the quantities, the money going in, the dates, exactly the prices. It's really, really helpful. Again, this is just extra data that you get. So this bot's only available on our Platinum membership, primarily because it's an expensive bot. We have to maintain it. We have to pay for certain licenses and for run it. So it's really expensive in that aspect for a cost for the business. So we offer this to our top tier members. For our Platinum members only, don't worry, you don't have to be a Platinum member. There's a lot of stuff here that it's going to blow your mind away. On top of all the tools that we offer, I mean, again, there's just so many we have. We have a social media bot. Basically what this does is it takes everybody's tweet that is financially important in the market. So we currently have Trump, obviously. Elon Musk is definitely a market mover. He can move Tesla 10% anyway, and that can affect the market dramatically since it is weighted on the S&P. We have Jim Cramer. Again, I don't think anybody takes Jim Cramer seriously anymore. He's way out of his game now. But again, he's there. He can say stuff that something can happen, the unusual whales. You have a whole bunch of tools here that you can look at. CNBC News, so you'll get a whole bunch of feeds coming in every single time CNBC publishes something. It's on their Twitter. It catches it and it throws it right to us, so which is amazing. So we don't have to go look at CNBC. It's there for us. We just receive it. We have even biotech stocks, which is, I think, another amazing thing that people might not know about, even in our Discord, because again, we have so much stuff, and we also have extra educational stuff. We have Jazz Wealth. So every time Jazz Wealth is basically an investment firm that Dustin here provides educational videos and does recaps for the video. Again, it's absolutely free. You can just find them on YouTube. You don't have to go through our platform to see it. But every time Dustin posts any data and stuff like that, we take a look at it. We also use his research and we analyze data thanks to Dustin. This guy's a wizard. Matter of fact, I'm going to link his YouTube channel below our YouTube channel so he can definitely get more traction. I think he's one of the best in the game when it comes to, not only does he manage probably over $1 billion, but he definitely has the skills. I mean, this guy talks knowledge, spits stats every single day. Really good guy. But let's move on. We even have Kim K. Not a big fan, but some people like to watch Economic Calendar, where you can take a look at. Again, these are all just resources. that you can get on your own. But we put it all together in one platform. We even have an earnings watch, one of my favorites. Take a look here, what earnings are going to come out, what's reporting, let's say on Tuesday, so tomorrow. Again, depending on when you're watching this video, it might not be relevant, but Tuesday, the biggest smart, on Wednesday. So a lot of things can happen. Some of the tools that we're showing here, just so much more. And kind of want to go into the website a little bit more and kind of show you exactly what we're doing around. And we do give a free trial, absolutely free. It does require you to create an account with us. But again, if you don't like what you're seeing, there's a 7-day free trial for our silver package. And with the silver package, you get live trade alerts. We didn't even cover the trade alerts yet, but we'll hop in that right after that. Get access to the premium Discord, which is what I just showed to you earlier. Get access to premium trading tools, which are the bots that I showed you earlier, and daily market recaps and reviews. So we actually have 2 talented traders who are consistently providing reports on the market. So we have Goober and Circle One. They provide market recaps, and he shares his thoughts, exactly what happened today, some of the stocks he's looking at, vaccine data, and all that fun stuff. I mean, there's so many cool stuff on here. And then Goober here provides Dustin's recap videos. He's a big fan of Dustin. I introduced him to him, and he fell in love with it, and he just writes every single day. He watches the YouTube videos and writes a summary on the more important things. Posts this every single day. It's no more than a page, takes maybe 5 minutes, 3 minutes to read, and it provides you really great information data. Again, this is consistent every single day the market's open. You get one in the morning, so this one Goober posts around, I can't tell the time here, but he usually posts around the morning time, does it in the nighttime, or vice versa. I know they do something like that. But again, this is just another tool that we offer, which is available for our entry level, which is our silver tier, and then support education to succeed. And that means basically you have access to our trade help here. So if you're in a bad situation, you took a play, you don't know what the heck you did, something going to happen, you can discuss your problems, and a lot of people will take a look at it. If you're in a trade, you're losing money, or whatever the situation might be, and if you want an opinion on something, people come here and they post, and our traders who have been here for a while, they provide us details, and they take a look at it and kind of do all that stuff and put it through. But anyways, here's the flow option bot that we put in, that we set for the equity part. This is the equity command, so you can see all the money that came into Apple on Friday, and then you can see the call flow on Apple as well. Again, so there's that high definition quality, images. You can look at it on your phone as well on the go, and it's just really great tools to have. But again, so that's basically silver. So there's a reason why it's entry, and we do provide a lot of value to it, but the real game changer is the gold tier. And with the gold tier, I mean, you get everything of silver, and you get, I think, one of the biggest advantages is that you may be working, you may be in a meeting, you may be in the office, you may be with a client. You're not always on Discord looking at what's going on. Your life goes on. So we actually have real-time text alerts sent to your phone. So anytime one of our analysts, well, I should say traders, they're not really analysts, they're traders, and they send out an alert, kind of give you an idea, and you'll get exactly buy to open McDonald's at 225 call at 194. You'll get that exactly texted on your phone, and then you'll also get, if there's a sell to close, for example, you'll get that on your phone as well. That's only available on gold. And on silver, you do get the silver alerts as well, and what that gives you is exactly the same thing that we put on gold, but you don't get entry and exits. You're we just throw the play that we're taking. So on silver, we're taking a McDonald's call for 225 and the date, right? And for gold, you'll be able to see the exact price that we're paying. So we're paying $1.94 here, and then when we exit the trade, we'll post it as well. So that's one of the big benefits with gold as well, is that you actually get live entry and exits for trades. You get live spreads. So we actually have a professional who does spread alerts for us as well, and he does really great stuff. Pretty much all the trades are winning trades with spreads. He takes diligence and usually is right in most cases and makes a decent amount of money. Again, spreads are low risk, so the reward isn't as high as just buying straight up calls and put. Again, this isn't really an educational video. I'm just kind of doing a swing by. We may do more educational content depending the feel we get for our clients and consumers, but a really great job on doing it, explaining exactly, what a credit spread is and what he's buying for and doing that. But yeah, so let's move on to the next stuff. So we also have cryptocurrency as well. Now, with cryptocurrency, it's a hot market. Right now, Bitcoin is over 33,000 or something like that. So we have a crypto gentleman here who does the crypto alerts, and he's actually doing alerts right now as we're talking, because the crypto market's open 24/7. So he gives out really nice charts, details regarding what crypto's doing. If you're following the crypto market, we do have a crypto available as well, available on the gold package if that's something you're really into, want to trade. If you're also doing penny stocks, you don't really know how to trade options, you don't know how to trade cryptos, you know how to trade penny stocks, we even have a penny stock guy. So once you get in, you'll be exposed to other trading styles and other things to learn about. So Nitro runs our penny stock alerts. Nitro is a beast. I mean, just take a look here, guys. Okay, so he provides really great entries and exits on penny stocks, and he does a really great. I don't know how he does it. I'm more of an options guy, but we do have it kind of for the people who go in, and he's really good at what he does. So he alerts exactly the ticker, the entry, the price target, the stop losses, comment. Like for example, he might swing it, tight stop loss. I think this is great. And also look at his alerts here. He alerted it. You know, for example, this one getting 230%, 18%, 19%, 18%. I mean, this is a single day, so 369%. I mean, again, this is not consistency. He provides the recaps every single day. Slow day, 77%. I'm saying slow because, I mean, this guy goes insanely crazy. 275% the next following day. I mean, just take a look here. It's just insane. I'm beyond impressed with Nitro and how he does things. I mean, some of the stuff is just insane. 301%. I mean, how? I might just look into it. 169%. I mean, again, these are penny stocks, so they're high risk. He's killing it. And we offer this service here. It's consistent. I mean, you can take a look at it, provide everything here. We don't delete anything, so it's always there. Once you get in, you'll be able to see. I mean, 134%. I mean, this is just insane. Every single day, like, we have penny alerts. We also have Lotto scalps. And Lotto scalps, basically, if you want to do a Lotto and you want to scalp it, these are really high risk. They usually expire, worthless. So high risk, high reward, but we put it down there as well. We have even mega scalps. So basically we do large mega cap companies. We trade them. We provide alerts on that as well. So again, there is a lot here that we're providing. This is all available on the gold. When you get in, most people with silver, within 2 to 3 days, typically they upgrade to gold. 90% of our clients are gold. And then we do have people who go into gold who want the extra. They want the extra data, the extra stuff, the extra chat, and we provide that as well. It's only $100 more, and we have people who pay for it and they love it and they enjoy it. So it is available. So you get all of gold. You get access to the platinum chat room. The platinum chat room basically is a private chat room that is a closed group of all the traders there as well and our clients, and we discuss exact strategies, market reviews on what we're looking at before we post alerts. So you get definitely an advantage before everybody else on the platinum before it actually goes to the alert section as well. And you get access to our algorithm flow AI bot, and you get access to dark pool alerts and our personal guidance from the pro trader. So we actually kind of shadow you as well as you're trading and kind of give educational inputs on what we think. So I mean, that's pretty much it, guys. And we have really great stuff here. We're really transparent. Everything's here is legal. You can take a look at it, terms and conditions, our policies, our disclaimers, everything we have there. We even have a fact section as well. How does it work? Kind of take a look at it. But we decided to make a video form because I believe it's more useful and you guys will have access to a lot of fun stuff here. You can even meet the staff as part of the company, put faces on the people who are actually trading and doing stuff. The About Us section as well. And there is tools on the website as well. So if you want to not really use Discord, you can actually trade with our website as well. You can link it toward your brokerage and take a look at it. So we have trading tools as well. You can log in and use our trading tools here. We use TradeView. We're affiliated marketing. We have them, so we have their data as well. We also affiliated with Flow Algo, so we use their data as well. Yeah, check us out. If you have any comments, feel free to put a comment below. Subscribe, because we are starting very shortly a company portfolio where we're going to start growing a company portfolio. So it'll be the SellTheDips brokerage account, and we're going to do trades. It's all going to be available publicly. This is more stuff that's coming down later. But anyways, guys, I really appreciate you guys checking us out, giving us a shot. If you have any comments, just comment below. Promise I'll get to them as soon as I can. Have a good one.